Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Iqoo phone guys photos hide setting. How to hide photos on Iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to hide photo on Iqoo mobile. So friends, how to hide photo in this video friends, we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friend, first of all, you will have to use your Google file. And once you don't have your Google file, once you cannot hide photos, you will have to start app lock. So without app lock, you can hide photos on your device. So once you have Google file, so open your Google file and click on image. Select your photos, which photo fans you want to hide from your gallery. Select your photos. So once I will select these photos, 6 photos, 7, 8 photos. 3 dot. Friends, you want to move these photos on your folder, so you can make folder and you can move it. Friends, you want to copy into any pen drive, so friends use your pen drive and you can copy into pen drive. Friends, click here, move to save folder, and friends select pattern and password. So friends, you will have to use pin and pattern. Friends, if you use pin, so you will have to use 4 dots, also friends 4 digit password. And friends, if you click pattern lock, so you will have to enter 5 dots pattern. Okay friends, so I will use friends pin and I will enter 4563 next 4563, and friends remember your pin. Okay friends, got it. Photo will hide on your gallery, from your gallery, and scroll it, you can check your hide photos. Enter your password 4563 next 4563 next, and friends you can check your hide photos. And friends, you want to unhide any photo, and friends you want to delete photos. So guys, how to delete photo? Friends, select photos, which photo you don't want to use, and friends if you delete here, friends you can see delete 4 files permanently. So friends, you can delete your photos permanently. And friends, you want to unhide photo one by one, friends you can unhide. You want to unhide all, so I select here all, select this all, select all, move out to save folder. Photo will unhide, again we can use these photos on mobile. So like that friends, you can hide photos and you can unhide photos on your device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.